Locate the 11-pin harness assembly. In some application, the existing wiring has 3/16-inch quick connect terminals. To accommodate those, cut off the existing 1/4-inch quick connect terminals, strip the wire, and install the supplied 3/16-inch terminals. The installation instructions come with a diagram showing wiring connections for both an intermittent pilot system and a direct spark system. For this application, the intermittent pilot diagram will be used. Individually disconnect and transfer each wire from the existing control and connect it to the appropriate quick connect terminal on the 50D50U-843 11-pin harness or dedicated spade terminal on the printed circuit board. Note in the instructions when a module does not use both the 24-volt and THW terminals, install the 24-volt wire on the harness wire labeled THW. Connect the MV to MV, MV-PV to MV-PV-COM, PV to PV, GND to BRN-GND, 24-volt GND to 24-volt COM, 24-volt to 24-volt, and finally THW to THW.